Legal battle over curry. I recently had the opportunity to delve into the legal battle surrounding the origins of butter chicken, particularly in connection with Moti Mahal's legacy. While reviewing the developments, a few insights and reflections emerged that I believe are worth considering. The BBC News link is in the description. Firstly, it's worth pondering whether this is truly a legal battle for butter chicken or, perhaps, a strategic move for publicity. The latter appears to be a plausible scenario, given the iconic status of the dish. Drawing a parallel with the English language, if a legal dispute were to arise between New Zealand and Australia over the usage of English, observers in England might find it more amusing than a serious conflict. Similarly, the Tamils could perceive this butter chicken dispute with a similar sense of detachment. Nevertheless, there are key points that warrant consideration. Historical introduction of curry by the British. It's imperative to acknowledge that curry, a culinary tradition rooted in the Tamils of the southern Indian subcontinent, was introduced to various parts of the Indian subcontinent by the British, beginning notably with Robert Clive in 1747 in Bengal. Similar to the spread of the English language worldwide, the origins of curry are intricately woven into colonial history. Much like the attribution of the invention of British chicken tikka masala to an unknown Pakistani chef in Glasgow, Scotland, and the creation of curry pastes credited to a particular Indian descendant family who immigrated to the UK from East Africa, curry's roots are complex and diverse. Non-Tamil development of iconic dishes. The narrative of iconic dishes with Tamil origins, including butter chicken, being developed and popularized by non-Tamil individuals is not unique. The influence of the British on dishes like chicken tikka masala, Madras curry powder, an imitation by some British traders of the original Tamil Portuguese, the world's first curry powder innovated 500 years ago in the islet Tamil colony of the Portuguese, and various other curry variations underscores a broader pattern. While there are numerous versions globally, all roads lead back to the Tamils' culinary traditions. The case of Masala Dosa. The BBC article, link in the description, mentioned Masala Dosa, and another BBC video attached in the description talked about Masala Dosa, all referring to it as a South Indian delicacy. However, the fact is that it is a Tamil delicacy. Dosa, vada, and Masala Dosa are the culinary heritage of the Tamils. What is crucial is the white curry, stuffed in Masala Dosa made of potato with a hint of tomato, chili, and onion. The first three were introduced to the Tamils by the Portuguese, whose Tamil colony was outside the Indian subcontinent, in the Jaffna Peninsula of northern Sri Lanka. Curry is complex in history, but on our site, thatscurry.com, we've endeavored to clarify it all. Need for Tamils to reclaim and celebrate the 3,000-year tradition of curry. Curry crisis in the UK or butter chicken dispute in India, claiming the Tamil legacy is the right solution to all. The English adage, in the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king, is aptly evoked here, underscoring the significance of Tamils actively asserting their ownership and acknowledging their historical contribution to the development of curry. With the colonial era relegated to the annals of history, it seems improbable that the British will play a role in resolving such disputes or have any motivation to intervene in the curry crisis. Consequently, it becomes imperative for the Tamil community to intensify efforts in raising awareness and reclaiming their rightful place in the narrative of curry's history. In essence, this dispute serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate nature of culinary legacies, urging us to acknowledge the true origins of iconic dishes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.